How to show dislikes on YouTube. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now let's say I were to search for this video right over here, and then I want to have the dislike shown right over here because there's 23 million likes. But I remember that this video has a lot of dislikes, but unfortunately YouTube has removed this like quite some time ago actually. But there's actually a way to get this back. So how do you actually do that? Well, simply you want to get your hands on this extension right over here. So you want to go ahead and go to the Chrome web store and search for return dislike. Now right over here you have to return YouTube dislike by returnyoutubedislike.com, and it's actually recommended as 14,500 5 stars. So that's the one you want to go for, so not any of these other ones. So click on here, so it has over 4 million users, and then you want to simply add this to Chrome. So click on there, add extension, and there you go. We have actually now added it to Chrome. So here's a quick overview on how to actually use this. So you have also a couple of settings which you can actually change. So if I were to refresh this page real quick, we can actually see that we can now see the dislikes. So there's actually 23 million likes and 15 million dislikes. And yeah, that's actually all there is to it. So what it meant with those settings, if I open it up right over here, you can actually click on the settings cog and you can change, for example, the number format. You can change the colors as well, which is actually pretty fun. But yeah, that is basically it. That's how you can get your dislikes back on YouTube. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.